Hey guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel by clicking that red subscribe button. If you're watching YouTube Kids, make sure you click the red gem to subscribe.
Toys.
Hey guys, it's Tiffany and Marcello, and we are reporting from TTPM Holiday Showcase 2018, where we're going to learn about the latest toys for all of you good girls and boys. Fans of Monster Mayhem rejoice. If you've never heard of Monster Mayhem, it's American Gladiators meets Power Rangers. Now you can bring the mayhem inside your living room with blow-up gear like helmets, weapons, and chest plates, and even a massive moonball. The sets are exclusive to Target, so make sure you add this to your wish list. The blow-up fists and headpiece are sold together for $19.99, the weapon is $9.99, and the huge blow-up massive moonball is $49.99. Marcello had so much fun bopping at that moon. Big thank you to the reps in the booth for being so kind to him as he went crazy fighting monsters. These are definitely a favorite of ours. We already have the helmet and fist, so look out for them in future videos. What is this called? Do you even know what it's called?
No.
It's called Massive Monster Mayhem. And it's a show. Did you know it's a show? It's about kids who take on monsters. Is that right? Yeah. What are you going to do to him? What are you...
Army of monsters.
Yeah.
Power Rangers and stuff.
I was gonna say, like, it looks very much like Power Rangers, like
Yeah.
that, like, okay. At the Spin Master booth, Zoomers Hungry Bunnies, Shreddy and Chewy are super cute and love to chomp down on their treats. Feed your Hungry Bunny yummy snacks and treats, put it to his mouth and watch him chomp. They are just so cute. It's really eating it. You see that? It's eating it. Oh my god. That is so cute. That is so cute. Look, they eat it. Look at that. Maybe it wants a lollipop or a popsicle. You think it wants a carrot? Press its nose. Maybe it needs to get woken up. Well, feed it It actually works. Very nice. This winter, bring the beach home with Kinetic Sand. Everybody loves this sand that never dries out and is super easy to mold and play. Build big sand castles and squish them down. It's so satisfying. Step 2 has an adorable line of interactive holiday decorations for kids. A snowman that works like a Mr. Potato Head, and you could hide little toy surprises in his body and store his body parts. A huge advent calendar that you could use again and again every year and hide little toys inside, or even candy. A gingerbread house with open and closed door and removable parts. And a light up Christmas that has a star that goes on top that really lights up. And you could decorate the Christmas tree with really cool Christmas balls. We've already reviewed morph boards on our channel, and they are so much fun for outdoor play, but now you can take the fun inside. You can purchase decks with different colors and different accessories so you can learn to balance and be a pro by the summer. Hone your skate skills inside this winter and be totally skate park ready. You can also use morph boards as a scooter too. Jakks Pacific also has other cool toys like the Incredibles line that we have reviewed vigorously on our channel, Mr. Banks and the Working Buddies line, and a bunch of cool costumes for Halloween and for dress up, like the Incredibles, or you could even dress up as your favorite LOL doll. Yes, we are no stranger to Jakks Pacific toys, as Marcello insists that he will work for them when he gets older, including Lego. Crazy Art teamed up with Nickelodeon to make these amazing slime kits. You can get buckets of slime, even scented slime. And with these DIY kits, it includes everything that you need to create your own slime collection. We love the Mac and Cheese Fun Scent slime. Crazy Art also makes really cool puzzles. I even saw a 51,300 piece puzzle. How crazy is that? The Just Play booth will have all of your favorite toys with the new JoJo Siwa singing doll featuring Hold the Drama and her own stage with 2 outfits. There's also a new Fisher Price Play Food line with a cool shopping cart with a removable shopping basket, a new cash register, and Play Food for the best Play supermarket experience.
Baskets, you can go shopping. Oh, and look at the Play Food. This is they already sell this at Target though. Oh, look at that! Look, it's PJ Masks.
Can we move around though? Oh my god, look at the playsets!
Oh wow, look at
New Vampirina dolls and playsets are out now too. We now have a posable Poppy and Wolfie, Vampirina with Gregoria and her scooter. Also new room sets for Vampirina's family Scare B&B too.
Oh look, there's the van.
Oh my god!
These are out now, I believe, or they're coming out.
And these, and this. Yeah, we'll find this.
Oh my gosh, look at Doc Mcstuffins set.
Oh my.
And there's the Pet Doctor set, the one that you played with at Sweet Sweet. Oh, remember, you have this bicycle.
Doc Mcstuffins' Pet Rescue Mobile is the perfect way to save the stray animals. With a medical center, a grooming center, and treats to feed the rescues, you'll be the best trapper in the neighborhood.
You have this bicycle, they made it different. And look, Hot Diggity Dog. Doesn't work.
We cannot wait for the new Illumination Grinch movie, and they have the toys to prove it, so we can bring the magic home with us. From surprise ornaments with figures inside, you can also use the capsule as an ornament for your tree or to decorate your room. Hide more treasures inside to continue the fun. An adorable collection of plush dolls, including PVC figures and a snowman playset with a working slide makes this collection super cool.
Look at the Town Square playset. Look, it has a tree and it has a slide. And see the plushies?
Yeah, I see the plushies.
Oh my gosh, in Whoville. And look at over here. They have a nice stand over here.
Oh my god.
Oh, cute. Of course. I'm so excited about Bubble Guppies.
Oh, me too. They have new spurs and the cat's there.
Oh, does her hair changes color too? Does she do anything else?
And the new Bubble Guppies of this.
I love how his tail works. Look. And does Gil come out? Oh, wait a minute. Look. They don't have the wheels anymore. Look, they actually have the fin.
Oh,
and they're posable, except his arm doesn't work.
And this opens.
That's so cool.
Yeah.
I love the handle too. Let's put him back in there. Look inside. He can sit back down. When you can tuck the fin back in. You open this up and look. Where are you, Marcello?
Come here.
And look, there's Mr. Grouper.
Line up, everybody!
It's time to go to Juicy's.
We love Muppet Babies, and this was actually a show that I watched when I was little too. And they have tons of toys out now. You could play with the nursery with the new posable figures, Kermit, Fozzie, Miss Piggy, new plush dolls including the newest character, Summer the Penguin, and even a joke-telling Fozzie the Bear, Waka Waka. These are all available now at stores like Target.
Figures at the hip, so you could sit them down. And their arms are posed too.
Look, you can put some
Look, they stand nicely.
Oh my god! But look, when you open up this, you can open up this top.
Oh, look at this.
And the rocket ship moves.
Oh, there's a kitchen. Oh, look at the plushes shaker. I love this one. Fozzie. Does he turn on?
There. You know who's not there? Gonzo.
Oh, look. There's Miss Piggy.
And who doesn't love Hair-Dorables, the newest collection of surprise toys with 11 toy surprises inside? You can get one of 36 posable dolls, all with glorious hair. My favorite doll is Neela. She's out of this world with cuteness. You can also get the super rare Rain Shower with her rainbow tinsel hair. Each Hair-Dorable has their own unique job, like Noah. She creates amazing hairstyles on her YouTube channel. We unboxed a few on our channel already. Stay tuned, we won 12 boxes of Hair-Dorables from Just Play, so I'll be doing 12 days of Hair-Dorables. Any duplicates will be given away, of course. Be sure to be subscribed to our channel to get notified first. Playmates is responsible for many of my favorite toys, as I have been a collector of their action figures for many years. For example, I have a lot of the Simpsons figures, which is why I love the Ben 10 line of posable action figures so much. Especially this amazing playset, their Creation Chamber. It's a mini action figure maker where you can take body parts and place them into certain spots of the chamber and click them all together to create your own unique alien, just like Ben 10.
He goes this way. Yep. I need one more arm. This one. Click them in. No, wait. You gotta keep that in there.
You gotta put it in, it's gonna put it back together.
I'm gonna show you.
You gotta watch, it's really cool. You'll see what happens.
Alright, so you twist them together.
Watch. Oh my.
Close this up. Give it a twist. Let's see.
Oh my. That is the coolest thing ever.
There he is.
God, that is so cool.
Yeah. Hold on. I knew.
That's a Creation Chamber. So cool. And look, you could put the other figures in here too.
Mom, can you put mine?
Have you heard of Kuroba Collectibles? These are a new way to battle. Challenge your friends to an awesome new way to play rock, paper, scissors. Clack them together and whoever's character eats up the other ones wins the game. You can build up your Kuroba Keeper skills and become the master Kuroba Keeper. Stay tuned to our channel for an in-depth review. Playmates also has a really cute line of adorable handheld interactive dolls called Tiny Toes. They are the cutest little dolls that fit in the palm of your hand. They respond to touch, can be rocked to sleep, and they fart too. They're going to be a hot toy for the holidays this year for sure. And at a price point of $14.99, you simply cannot beat it. We love Mad Matter, and now Mad Matter has a really cool toolbox. It includes tools where you can form your own bricks, and you can even make wood pieces and more pieces to build epic Mad Matter mansions. Also a part of the Mad Matter line are Meteor Monsters. Crack open the monster rock and inside is Mad Matter and your own unique monster.
I just never believe us with the reaction.
Do you love to show off your yo-yo skills? If you do, you gotta check out Bandai's Hyper Cluster Starter Pack. The Hyper Cluster almost looks like a fidget style toy in that you can manipulate the yo-yo in different directions and adjust speeds based on the type of skin you put on. You don't even need to be an expert at yo-yoing. You can customize your Hyper Cluster by changing the skin with an arrangement of fun colors and designs. It's simple to remove and satisfying to attach with the crank sound. Crank it your way, and for just $14.99, you can get this starter pack and start yo-yoing now. It was such a wonderful surprise to see all of the new Wreck-It Ralph toys in person at the Bandai booth. We love Wreck-It Ralph so much and are super excited for the new movie. Wreck-It Ralph 2, Ralph Breaks the Internet, hits theaters this November, and now we have the amazing new toy line out to play with too. This line includes posable dolls featuring Fix-It Felix, Junior, Ralph, Vanellope, as well as blind boxes with PVC figures that interact with the Pac-Man app. We also picked up a really cool Target exclusive set that includes the mini PVC figures for the pack sets. We're going to review those on our channel very soon. The PVC figures from the blind packs can be stored in the cool playsets featuring old style cell phone and the Disney Castle. You can also scan your PVC figures to play with the Pac-Man app, where your figures come to life. Larger, more playable dolls like Talking Vanellope Von Schweetz and Wreck-It Ralph that wreck it too.
So he's saying different things as you kind of bother him?
Oh my God.
From Wreck-It Ralph toys to Big Hero 6 figures and new Tamagotchi and Hyper Clusters, Bandai booth did not disappoint. We cannot wait until Santa Claus comes. Vtech Gogo Smart Wheels are wonderful play sets for toddlers and preschoolers. Baby Rocco loves his Mickey set so much that we got him for his first birthday. And yes, now Gogo Smart Wheels includes your favorite characters from Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Sets are as low as $19.99 and the vehicles are $9.99. Sometimes the sets include 1 or 2 vehicles, and if you have older Gogo Smart Wheel sets, you could piece the tracks into new sets. They are wonderful toys that teach problem solving, fine motor skills, and communication. Vtech and Leapfrog also have wonderful products for early readers, and they're adorable interactive sets, like Bright Lights Unicorn. She is so adorable and perfectly priced at just $25 at Walmart. We had a blast at TTPM Holiday Showcase. Stay tuned for part 2 and more from Mattel, Moose, Lego, and more. Be sure to like this video, please subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Each time we post a new video or host a giveaway, you'll be the first one to get notified. And if you're first, please say first in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and have a great day. Happy holidays!
Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ah.